Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to be front of house ready for your worship services. I do that through song-specific content like cover videos, tone demos, and tutorials, as well as tone talk, which is what we'll be doing here today. I'm in a series going over my pedal board, breaking down signal chain. We went over the rig itself. I broke down my drive section and how I'm stacking stuff and whether you might want to stack or not stack. Sometimes it's better not to stack. I prefer the sound of my stack drive, so I run it that way. Went over wet effects and whether you want to run them in front of your amps or after, and then some of the ways that I'm using my delay and reverb. And then we broke down the Walrus D1. I did a bit of a first impressions walkthrough with it and then followed that up with some more dialed in tone samples. Today we're going to be getting into modulation, and this is one I've been looking forward to. I've been hearing a lot of it coming up in the songs I'm covering and the tones I'm dialing in, so I thought we'll go ahead and put together a video and share some of those sounds, and I'm going to make this available for you. It's a HX Stomp Helix Favorites Pack, and it's going to have all the modulations that we're going to be going over today, and it'll be available in the Sunday Starter Pack linked in the description box below. The first one we're going to go over is Chorus, and this one's the one that's kind of been... There's a few songs that had it this year. I think Elevation's new album was a bit saturated with it, which I love. So I wasn't a fan of Chorus up until really recently, and I've been playing guitar for a long time, so it took a long time for it to grow on me. I think I had to hear it in some context that I liked. So Elevation did it, and so kudos to them. So anyway, we've got Chorus. I have three different choruses that we're going to highlight. The Trinity Chorus has been my favorite as of late. Before I used that one, I was using one of the legacy choruses. I think it's the analog. And when I set up to prepare the presets for this video, I had that in, and there was something about it. When I went from the Trinity Chorus to that, I just felt like I lost some quality. So I got into my stereo options on my HX Stomp, and I found the Plasti-Chorus. It has a lot of the same stuff I liked about the analog, but a bit more high fidelity quality sound. So I got that one. And then also as kind of a third option, this one sounds a little bit different. It's a bit warmer, maybe darker. I'm not sure if warmer just means like more overdriven or if warmer can mean a little less harsh and bright. But anyway, it's that, and it is a rotary. So on the Helix and HX Stomp, we have, there's three different ones that are kind of grouped together. And I forget which one I used, but if you do download that, you'll see. But this one had the most high fidelity sweep for the sounds that it makes. And also the chorus it's an effect that happened with tape. I don't know if it happened in the delays or if it happened in recording, because those were both tape. But it was a movement that happened in the sound as the tape got older. And then that also kind of shifted into phaser and flange. Those were also things that happened as tape got old. You would hear these kinds of sounds, and then they figured out how to put them in a controllable little box. So we've got all kinds of options to play with for those fun sounds. But Rotary is the one that's different, and we've got it in a couple of spots on this video. So Rotary is it's a speaker cabinet that has a woofer on one side of it. On the other side of it, it has a tweeter. And so those are PA speakers, but it's also hooked up to a belt drive that rotates it. And so you would hear the woofer and it would go around, and then you'd hear the tweeter. And so these were used for organs, but then they hooked it up to a guitar. And so voila, we've got more fun stuff to play with. Anyway, it's not as bright as the Chorus, but if you slow it down enough and tweak it a little bit, it sounds really cool. So I thought it was a great third option. But we're going to be going over Chorus. We're also going to cover Vibe. And that one is kind of like Chorus, but it's a little bit, quite a bit faster. And then I think the movement on it is a little bit deeper. So that's just going to be a different use. And we're also going to cover a couple of tremolos. So tremolo is the volume going down and back up in time. So on the old amps, you had a dial that you had to set that at whatever it was that you wanted, but nowadays we can put it to tempo and it's super usable. So I love it. I like that harmonic trem because it adds a little bit of glass to that shift in volume. So it's not just a volume up and down, but you get a little bit of something along with it. And the last one is ramp trem, which isn't a type of trem, but rather a use of trem. And some of the options we have on the HX Stomp and Helix have a volume sensitivity, which is what allows for that effect to speed up and then slow back down. So you hit your chord or you swell in. Once it hits full volume, it's going to be as fast as it's going to get, and then it'll slowly slow down as your volume comes down on the sustain of your guitar to the subdivision you have it set at. Or if you just have it set kind of the manual hertz, I think they're in hertz, it'll slow down to whatever that is. So but we're going to be going over all of these. We've got some songs picked out that are a little bit relevant and a lot of fun to play. So let's hear it. I hope you found this one helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. Let us know in the comments, do you have your go-to modulations in pedal form on your board, or do you have specific ones that you use on your all-in-one device? If you're interested, this pack is going to be available in the Sunday Starter Pack in both the HX Stomp and the Helix option, linked in the description box below. That's a free download for you just to help you on your tone journey. There's a couple of presets as well as some PDF documents. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.